Hello everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying this Power Query series. So I've started with what is Power Query, from where we can get the Power Query and the Power Query purpose. In my second video, I talked about how to get the data from a file like CSV, JSON file, Parquet file using your Power Query. Now in this video, I will talk about how to connect with one on-premises database. For example, PostgreSQL, MySQL. So I will show you the example about the PostgreSQL. That means using your Power Query, how we can connect to one PostgreSQL. Okay, so let's go back to the practical series of our Power Query. Before going for this presentation, I believe you have already installed PostgreSQL in your system. Okay, just install it and you can follow all the instruction. You can Google it, you will get all the instruction. So, I have already installed the PostgreSQL. Let me log into the PostgreSQL first. Okay, so I have logged in my PostgreSQL and I have one database which is Postgres. That is the default database, whatever I have. I have created two tables here. One is the clothing table, one is a small employee table. So my objective is to connect this clothing table with our Power Query. Okay, so I have Postgres installed. Now, before going to the Power Query desktop, or because I will do through the Power BI desktop, I need to install some ODBC driver for the PostgreSQL. For that, you need to go to this PostgreSQL website, and from there you can install this PostgreSQL ODBC driver. If you click on this download button, here we have this folder. This is the latest folder, and I believe if you have the 64-bit system, Windows system, then you can click on this setup. It will be downloaded and you can install. Once it has been installed, then your objective is to log into ODBC driver, and here already I have created one, but I will show you one example how we can create that one. Just click on this add, and once you install this driver, you will get all those options. Okay, so you can select the ANSI one or you can select the Unicode one. Let me select this Unicode one, and here you will have all the information. Now this is my data source name, this is the database name. If you see here in the Postgres, I have this database name as Postgres. Okay, now this is the local server, like this local host server, because I've installed it locally, but you might have a different server IP. Now how you will get that? Just go to this PostgreSQL and click on this selection, means your install server, right click, properties, and here you have the server. Here is your host name. Okay, and this is your port number. So for me it's like 5433. Let me go back to here, and I have this Postgres username, then I'm adding this port number, and you need to give the password. Okay, here you can test it. Let me click on the test. My connection is successful, so click on OK. I'm not creating this one because already I have created the similar stuff. Now two step is done. Okay, now you need to open your Power BI desktop. Okay, now you need to go to this transform data. Using that, you can open your Power Query editor. Now this is my Power Query editor. Just click on new sources and click on more. Just make sure we need to connect through the ODBC. Okay, because not if we select the normal PostgreSQL database, sometimes it's not working because of some authentication encryption issue. What I will do, I will select with this ODBC driver. Okay, and if you see whatever the DSN already I've created, I have this Postgres DSN. I'll select this one, click on OK, and I need to provide the username as well as the password. So this is my default user, and I'll give the password. Let me connect. Simple. Here we have two tables, clothing table and employee table. I'll select the clothing table and click on OK. Okay, now we can do all other stuff, whatever we need to do. So I hope from here you understood how we can connect with the PostgreSQL. Actually, this is a Power Query editor. Similar way, you can connect with directly from the Power BI desktop, which is normally you are explaining in the Power BI desktop connection. But for this video purpose is like how to connect with the Power Query and connect with the PostgreSQL. Okay, so from this video, I hope you understand how to connect the Postgre database and install it definitely. And after that, you have to install the ODBC driver to connect for this PostgreSQL and the Power BI desktop. Okay, now you can open your Power BI desktop and from there go to your Power Query. From there, you need to connect the ODBC instead of PostgreSQL database so that your connection will be successful. Then provide all the details. Okay, I hope from this video you got some understanding to connect one on premises database like PostgreSQL. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Thank you.